Stitch! Yay!
Okay.
Wow. Hi.
Hi.
Where are we going?
SM.
We're going to
SM.
SM. Pupunta kami ng SM para manood ng Stitch! Yay! Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, oh look oh. Tingnan mo yung sumama sa atin oh. Snail. Are you scared?
No.
It's mabait naman eh.
I'm not scared.
Say to the vlog.
Hi.
Sabi mo, hello vlog!
Hello, Vlad.
We're going to SM. Oh.
Going to SM today.
Today, yes.
Easier, di namin nakasama kasi
Iya.
mag-iiyak pa siya doon sa loob.
Hindi sinama si Iber kasi bawal ang
Baby.
iyak. At saka iyak.
Iya.
Bawal iyak.
Bawal iyak.
Kaya si Sabi, hindi iiyak. Tama?
Bawal.
Okay.
And no playing pa sa SM, okay? No playing, ha? Watch lang tayo, okay?
Watch movie only. Okay?
Oh,
Watch a movie.
okay, let's go!
Suntot.
Lilo and Stitch!
Dito, tita, yung fish.
Are you excited? Are you happy?
Oh.
Wawa naman si Ibier, di nakasama. Bye!
Bye. Suntot. Bye-bye. Wala movie.
We're watching Lilo and Stitch.
Stitch.
Say Lilo and Stitch.
Lilo and Stitch.
Sabihin mo kay Ibier, next time ka na lang.
Next time, Melan.
Sabi, how's the movie? How's the movie? It's good? Nangatang-in ka pa. Ikaw, how's the movie?
It's
Lilo and Stitch.
extremely entertaining.
And look at Savi. Knockout na knockout. Pagod ka katawa kay Stitch.
Ay, gano'n.